Okay, I go into nap time.
Look at the camera.
I go to nap time. I want you back, please, please.
Tell Daddy about your weekend. Sit back.
Awesome.
And tell Daddy about. Sit back and tell Daddy about your weekend. Your weekend.
I got possible.
Your weekend Poughkeepsie. Tell Daddy what you did in Poughkeepsie.
I went with Bachi a movie and watching the movie Doggies, and I saw a monster. I saw the scary monster.
You tell Daddy about your trip home.
What's
Tell Daddy
that?
about the drive home.
Who's that?
It's just the light on it. It's videotaping you. Step back.
What's that?
It's the light. Step back, Anna.
What's that doing that?
It's recording you.
Calling me?
Yeah, it's recording you. Tell Daddy about the Olympics. What do you say on the Olympics? Look at me. What do you say? Anna,
What you want to say?
when you say the Olympics, what do you say?
USA! 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 USA!
Turn around and talk to Daddy. Anna,
A shadow.
go talk to Daddy.
But
Continue
my
to.
shadow.
I know, but you need to talk to Daddy. Else I'm turning the video off. Turn around and talk to Daddy. Anna.
Okay. Hi, Daddy. I miss you. I want you back. I want to see my video. I want to see my video.